This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Political appointments have resumed in Madhya Pradesh with the state government nominating 108 members to 13 municipal corporations. Bhopal has been allotted 12 nominees, while Morena, Sagar, Rewa, Satna, Singrauli, Katni, Chhindwara, Khanwa, Burhanpur, Ujjain, Dewas and Ratlam have received 8 nominees each. Appointments for Indore, Gwalior and Jabalpur are yet to be announced. The newly nominated members will assist the elected municipal council in local governance, civil administration and development activities. The move marks the beginning of a fresh phase of political appointments in urban local bodies across Madhya Pradesh. The Madhya Pradesh government has introduced the Uniform Civil Code or UCC Bill 2026 in the Assembly during the monsoon session. The bill will be discussed in the House on Tuesday. Even before the debate began, the issue triggered a political confrontation between the ruling party and the opposition. The Congress alleged that the bill was added to the supplementary agenda without proper notice and called the move unfair. Assembly Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar said the House will hold a detailed discussion on the bill before taking any further decision. The debate is expected to be closely watched across the state. Police to stop farmers and members of the Karni Sena family during their march from Indore to Bhopal. The protesters were demanding 4-time compensation for land acquired for the Western Ring Road project. They were stopped at Shipra Square where tension developed between the protesters and the police. Farmers alleged that police used water cannons and tear gas shell to stop the march. 7 farmers were reportedly injured during the incident. After the clash, the protesters began a sit-in protest as Parlai Jagir and said they would continue their agitation until their demands are accepted. Rewa police have uncovered an illegal arms smuggling racket and arrested 2 accused. The suspects Roshan Gupta and Manzar Ansari were caught with 8 illegal pistols and several live cartridges. Police said both men have criminal records in previous cases. During questioning, the accused revealed that the weapons were brought from Dhar district. Investigators suspect the firearms were meant for a criminal gang or were to be used in a major crime. Police have registered a case under the Arms Act and launched a detailed investigation to trace the entire smuggling network and identify other people involved. Farmers blocked National Highway 45 in Narsinghpur district for nearly 1 hour on Monday. The protest took place at Tendua Kheda over 14 demands, including the purchase of 100% moong crop at the minimum support price. The road blockade began at around 5 pm, bringing traffic to a complete halt. Long queues of vehicles were seen on both sides of the highway. Farmers said they would continue their protest until the government accepts their demands and provide relief to cultivators. A 28-year-old farmer was killed in a tragic road accident in Rajgarh district. According to police, an SUV with SDM written on it hit the farmer on the Rajgarh-Biawra highway and then fled the scene. The victim, identified as Mangli Lal Tanwar from Baskhedi village, died on the spot due to severe injuries. Police said the bike was found some distance away from the body. A case has been registered and officials are searching for the driver and the vehicle involved in the accident. Madhya Pradesh is facing a 16% rainfall deficit this monsoon season. According to the India Meteorological Department in Bhopal, heavy rainfall has not occurred in the state for the past 12 days, affecting the overall monsoon figures. Light rain is expected in nearly 90% of the state until July 23rd, while 4 to 5 districts may receive heavy rainfall. On Monday, heavy rain alerts were issued for Damoh, Mandla and Dindori, while light showers are expected in 47 districts including Bhopal and Indore.